Mkoaje? I'm doing fine. Ndio kuamka. Hope mnaendelea poa. I'm also doing fine. Thank you for stopping here to watch my vlog as usual. So it's another day. It's early in the morning. It's when I'm waking up. As you can see my eyes. Yes, I've just woke up right now. And I said, why not share with you my schedule of today? Yeah. So today, guys, I'm planning to go out by myself alone, just to have me time. Yeah, you know, being a mom, sometimes healthy for you to just go outside there, find yourself, you know, do you, breathe fresh air, relax. Yeah, not that you don't love your family or your baby, but just a break. It's good for your mental health, right? Yeah. So I want to tag you along. I want to go out today to do my nails, as you can see. Yes, to buy some 1, 2, 3. I'll show you what you'll buy, what you'll see there. Yeah, we can also just do, yeah, window shopping. It's just a nice break. So get along with me as we spend this day. And also, I want to thank you, all of you, for subscribing, for liking my videos. I want to encourage you, if you have not stopped here and subscribed and like, kindly do that. Also, comment down any opinion. I really appreciate. So let's spend this day with you. Engine roars like a lion. This is my outfit. Please rate it. Engine roars like a lion in flight. Roads burn under a fiery light. Wheels spinning faster, chasing the day. No turning back, we're on our way. Pedal to the floor, break the chains. Guys, I'm already out, nimetoka. So let's go and zuru. Let's go and buy some stuffs. Then we come back. As you can see, it is sunny. I'm really enjoying. See that sun? Wow. Yes, I'm also enjoying walking like this. Oh. Guys, nimekimbizwa na ng'ombe. Anyway, it has made me to run at least. That's a good exercise. Yeah. So let's go. I'm waiting for my bike. Then we go. Ta-da. Guys, my bike is not yet here. It's not yet here. So I'm just walking slowly as I wait for it. There's no one here. I'm just by myself. You can see the environment. Yeah. I'm going out. But then it feels different when you're walking without your baby. You know, I'm used to carry my baby everywhere. Everywhere. But today I'm just by myself, alone. It really feels nice. Yeah. It brings back those memories when I used to be single and just walking by myself, everywhere by myself. Yeah. But I do enjoy walking with my family, with my baby, with my husband. Yeah. And today also I'm feeling good. Yes. So this is our walkway. At least we have a road. It's well built, maintained. See the nice fences, the neighbors. Yeah. No, we don't have a lot of noise. Yeah. Just a calm area. A calm area. And I'm enjoying my walk. My walk. So the bike is not yet here. And no problem. Yeah, he's saving my cost because I'll not pay the same amount we agreed because I've already walked some distance. Yeah, so no, I'm just reducing the transport. You see the environment? Nice. Can you guess the place? I think my back is here. No, no, not this one. It's not this one at all. See our neighbors, guys. We have a rich neighborhood. This is where the rich hangs. Hey, they're rich, they're rich. Engine roars like a lion in flight. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I did not vlog while in town. The town was so busy, so I couldn't manage, but I'm going to show you what I bought. Hope you like it. Just some few stuff here and there. So of course, being a mom, I remembered my baby here. Where we are living now is very, where we are living now is very, very cold. So I decided to get some few rompers for our baby here. And here it is. Yeah. It was being sold at a nice price. So I said, why not? So I bought for her a romper here. And this round, I'm going for the one that is open down one, so that when she's growing tall, she'll still wear this one. Yeah. So if you're a mom outside there, I encourage you to buy rompers that are open down ones. Yeah. Because the one that are closed, when your baby grows tall, he or she will not use it for long unless you go and cut it, and it will not look nice. So I encourage you moms outside there, yeah, aunties, uncles, when a baby buying rompers for a baby, make sure it is open. And this design also I like it. And of course also another one here. I was in love with this color. Yeah, so this one is closed, but I can open it when the baby is growing taller. So I also like this one, and I bought it for her. Yeah, so it was really a nice time just going around looking, you know. Also, when you're going to buy clothes, I've noticed something. It's good to go and buy when you have time. Yeah, so that you choose nice things. Yeah, okay. Also, being a teacher, being a madam, I also need to look good, you know. Yeah. So I had to bought some official clothes here. I got this dress. It's really nice. If you're interested with it, inbox me. I'll show you where I bought it. It was being sold nicely. Yeah. Yeah. So this is it. This is what I got myself. It has a belt, of course. Yeah. So like this. Then I also got some skirts here. Yeah. Some nice official skirts. Nice official skirts for me. Yes. And some tops also, guys. It was being sold at nice prices. Affordable, I can say. Yeah. Not cheap, but affordable. Also this. Really nice. If you like it, DM me and show you. I'll direct you where I bought them. It's nice. Okay. Yeah. Of course, this one. Any woman, any lady outside there, you need to have this nice. This is top. Yeah. Just a vest top. Then of course I have another mustard yellow blouse here, official. You can see they're not big, they fit me so well. Yes, nilipima when I was there. Like this. I bought this one too. Then I was in love with this pink. Being a mom of a girl, why not like pink? I like these buttons. Yeah, that was it. Yeah. I also bought this one. Yeah. Any other thing, guys? Maybe I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's cold. I'm sure wherever you are feeling this cold. So I got myself Sarah. Yeah, it's really nice. Can see. Yeah. Then I like the color. I can wear it even for 1 week without washing. Ooh, I can go with it to work. It's so cozy. Then for my baby here also, full neck. This one, white. Got it for her. And then this black trouser for her also. Hope it will fit her. Yeah. That's it, guys.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so.
Hi. Hope you saw our vacuum cleaner, guys. So you want to try it and see how best it can work. So keep in touch. Just stop there.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe